good point is because when your back is itchy, you can stretch
Oh,
with this.
yeah.
와우.
Also,
I have one.
oh yeah. And I buy this for.
왜 초점이 안 맞지?
For I will give you this when you finish the interview. I bought it for the school homework.
Okay.
It used for when your back is itchy.
Okay.
At your homeland, how do you scratch your back?
I will show you.
Video him. He's a bear.
Oh,
That's how I scratch my back.
와우.
let's go. Okay, it's all prepared. Thank you for the interview or helping me. As I say, this is short.
Oh, no, you can keep
Oh,
it.
that's
Just keep
okay.
it. No.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
Thank you very
All
much.
right.
Thank you.
바이.
You too.
굿바이.
Have a good day.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye bye.
Bye bye.